No, hold
Turn
on.
around.
Don't put me in handcuffs. I haven't done anything wrong.
Ma'am.
No, don't put me.
You're about to get tased.
No, no, no.
Get down. Get down on the ground. Down on the ground.
No, 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 no.
A routine traffic stop based on a wanted felon's vehicle takes an unexpected turn. In Nashville, Tennessee, Officer Josh Baker initiated a traffic stop on a black Chevrolet Camaro. The vehicle's registered owner was a convicted felon with 6 outstanding drug warrants. However, upon approaching the window, Officer Baker discovered the driver wasn't the wanted suspect,
Just bring your
but
bag out here.
31-year-old Nika Nicole
Ma'am,
Holbert.
stop going through it.
While Holbert initially cooperated with the officer's commands,
Come step
the
right
tone
back
of the
here.
interaction
What did you
shifted
take out of
dramatically.
it?
Nothing. I was
Okay, okay. All right, listen. Just come back here. I think we're getting off on the wrong foot, okay?
Because I'm really confused on why I'm getting stopped.
He's got several warrants.
Okay, that has nothing to do with me.
You don't know who's in the car.
Nobody's in my car.
Well, now I know that. However, now I'm going to address the other problems.
Okay, so you want my
So-
bag and all my belongings.
So just step right back here.
Hey, Mom, I need you to come to off of Trinity Lane right here where Seco is, the Dollar General.
23 to
I
25.
just got pulled over because my name is on the car, and he wanted to know if he was in the car with me, but he's not in the car with me, but I do got weed.
Hey, are you available?
I'm right here at the Dollar General. And
It can be in a couple minutes.
By the, what is this?
Pickle.
I'm from
Brick Church
Brick Church.
and
Brick
Ewing.
Church.
During a consensual search of a bag, Officer Baker uncovered
13,
suspected
can I be turning
marijuana
around?
and
You're
a
about 4
powdery
minutes
substance.
away.
I'm
Disregard,
gonna
actually,
put this in
disregard
my-
on that.
Can I get my lighter?
Yeah, I'm not done with that though. Where's your lighter at?
In the car.
13,
I'll
it
get
says you're
it for
about
you.
7 minutes away.
I'll get it.
You scaring me.
Thank you.
Here, come on.
When he instructed Holbert to turn
do me a
around to be
favor,
detained while
No,
awaiting
hold on.
backup,
around.
Don't put me
she
in
grabbed her
handcuffs. I
bag
haven't
and
done
fled back
anything
into the
wrong.
vehicle.
No, don't put me
You're about to get tased.
No,
Get down. Get down on the ground. Down on the ground.
no, no, no.
23 shots fired. Shots fired. I'm hit.
In an effort to safely take her into custody, Officer Baker deployed a non-lethal
Step
taser.
out. Ma'am, put the gun
The
down.
situation
Put the
immediately
gun down.
escalated when Holbert produced a
23
concealed
shots
semi-automatic
fired.
handgun.
Shots fired.
An exchange of gunfire followed. Officer Baker survived his injuries after emergency surgery, while Holbert tragically succumbed to her wounds later that morning at a local hospital.
23, I'm hit.